Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can get your travel history using CBP Home App. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe right now. So guys, I have opened this CBP Home App in front of you after login. This is an app by US Homeland Security, and in order to get to this stage you need to log in. For that, if you don't have an account, you need to create one. So I have made a dedicated separate video about that, so I am not going to include those steps over here. But yes, if you really want to watch, the link is available in the description. Go ahead, watch it and share your feedback with me. It's very simple. Now when you log in, this is the home page that you see. So you're going to tap on travel. Okay, you have various options how you are going to travel. So I'll select land. Now you have the option to get your travel history. So once you tap on it, you have like search travel history. Okay, now what you can do, you can scan your travel document. With this, what's gonna happen, like a lot of these fields that you see here are gonna be auto populated. Okay, so with this and then you can click on apply search criteria. Right now, because I have not entered any, that is why when I tap on this apply search criteria, it gives me error. Okay, and otherwise it's gonna show you the travel history in and out, date, and also port information. Because of privacy, I'm not gonna show you mine, but this is how it works. Okay, here now if I go back to the home page, if you select air option, still you can see view your travel history. Okay, same steps you need to follow. Okay, now if I go for the third option, see, oh, see, they haven't added yet, but yes, it will be rolled out, because it's not like gonna happen that everything will be rolled out in a single day, but this will also come down the line. But yes, using this method you can get this travel history too. And yeah, and it's always good to know know, know this, so that yeah, uh, you know when you were in and out of the states, and just to make sure that you have not breached any condition, you have not overstayed your visa. That you should never do, especially with Americans, never do. Okay, so that's it guys. Let me know what you feel about this video, and if you have watched so far, please hit on the subscribe button. I always welcome your comments, and even though they are negative, I'm gonna welcome them with my whole heart. So anything that is coming in your mind, feel absolutely free to write. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.